Hello again, and welcome to the newest video in my TOEFL essay quick tips series. Today, once again, I have taken a sample essay that was sent to me by a student who signed up for my TOEFL essay evaluation service, and I'm going to use this essay to highlight a common mistake that a lot of students seem to make. Now, today's mistake relates to the use of countable and non-countable nouns. Now, we all know that in English there are countable nouns, like cat and dog, which take an S in the plural form. Meanwhile, there are non-countable nouns like water, which don't take an S in the plural form most of the time. It can be very difficult to remember which are which. Now, this is something that you should be studying as you learn the English language. It will become natural and easy over time. But as a shortcut for your TOEFL preparations, there are actually 3 particular nouns that I want you to memorize right away. These are the nouns that my students mess up with most often because, for some reason, they seem to be used quite a lot in their TOEFL essays. So let's get to it. Today's practice question responds to this one, which is quite common in textbooks and whatnot. The question goes, it is important to know about events happening around the world, even if it is unlikely that they will affect your daily life. Now, the student wrote in his first topic sentence, first of all, informations about incidents taking place on every corner of the world help us to stay safe and vigilant. The error, as I corrected, was in informations. Information is a non-count noun. It does not take an S in the plural form. For some reason, information is used a lot in TOEFL essays. It's a very handy word. It's a very useful word, particularly when you're writing essays about school and work, which come up a lot in the TOEFL. So remember, information, not informations. Next, this student wrote in his second topic sentence, secondly, knowledge of global events helps a person to remain competent. Knowledge is a non-count noun. It doesn't take the S. Remember this one, because this word comes up a lot in these essays. Again, you're writing about university life very commonly, and knowledge is a great word. So you should write knowledge. Do not write knowledges. Stick with knowledge. I want to give you a bonus example. This one's from an integrated essay. We've got a few more minutes in today's video. Here's what my student wrote. Secondly, the lecturer says that according to recent researches, the population of Easter Island declined only after the arrival of European settlers. Research is a non-count noun. You should not say researches. Again, I highlight this word because research is used a lot in these TOEFL essays. Again, it's a very good word when you're talking about your university life, which is a common topic in TOEFL essays. It's a very good word to use in an essay about your work life, which is, again, a very common topic in TOEFL essays. And it's especially useful in these integrated essays, which are about scientific topics quite often. So again, remember, research, not researches. All right, I am going to leave it at that, but I do encourage you to visit the channel again in a few days for the next video in the TOEFL essay quick tips series. And if you want to get your essay evaluated just like this student, I encourage you to stop by TOEFLresources.com, where you can sign up for the essay evaluation service and get detailed feedback that looks a little bit like what you see on the screen right now. All right, thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. I love it when students do that, and I will talk to you later. Goodbye.